Hi guys, now today is day 2 of our paper mache crazy birds. So we're going to take that paper mache form that you created yesterday and turn it into this fun bird. So things that you need to gather up obviously is your paper mache form that you created yesterday and any kinds of scrap or fun craft materials you might have around the house. I always have these like little flowers. Maybe you want to use some wire, colored paper is great, especially for I use a colored piece of paper to make the beak. Other supplies that you're gonna need probably are gonna be scissors. Okay, you're gonna be painting the birds today. I even gather up feathers if you have any feathers at home. That is perfect to use for making birds. Any old craft materials or things you can find, pom-poms, sequins, anything. Also some type of glue. I use hot glue for mine, but if you're young, you don't want to be using hot glue because it can really badly burn you. So make sure an adult does it for you. But with these birds, you can also use an Elmer's glue, a tacky craft glue, any glue you have laying around. Just be safe and make sure that you have an adult watching over you if you're using a different kind of glue. All right, so let's get started. All right, so I take my dried paper mache from yesterday, and I'm just going to paint it in one solid color. You can paint it however you want. You can do more than one color if you like as well. I'm just going to do a nice bright blue color. Now, one thing I don't paint is the bottom. You can see on mine, I got a little bit in the bottom, which is okay if that happens. Now, once that's dried, you can start decorating it. Now, I pulled a bunch of craft materials out, like feathers, flowers I have. I'm gonna use paint to do like the eyes, or maybe you wanna paint some designs on top. I've got a paintbrush out. Right now I'm starting with my eyes. Now, normally I would probably have put googly eyes on this, but I didn't have them home. I didn't think to bring them home with me. But if you do have googly eyes, that will work perfect here. I'm just gonna paint a white base and then do a black dot in the middle. And I'll do the same thing on the other side of the bird. So that would be like the front. I'm just gonna take whatever I have and start decorating it. I have this group of feathers. I'm gonna cut the end off and hot glue this right to the end of my bird to be a feather tail. Now I'm going to take an orange piece of construction paper and fold it in half to create a beak. You can certainly make it any way you want, but if you draw a triangle on the fold, then you can cut that out and the beak will open and close. So I take my scissors, I cut right through both the papers. And then I'm going to put the glue on one side and then glue it right to the front. Now I'm just gonna start adding some glue on top to give it kind of like a crazy feather look. I have this fake flower I thought would be really cute on top. You certainly don't have to create that feather on top. It's totally up to you. I'm just giving you ideas. Now I'm just gonna stick some hot glue on the side and take some of my feathers and add it as wings, feathered wings. Now, if you don't have feathers at home, you can certainly just cut out like triangles from paper and glue them on the sides, or maybe like pieces of cardboard, whatever you have handy. All right, and there it is, all finished. Now you could add all kinds of stuff to these birds. Be creative, use your imagination, and have fun. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be making some Picasso crazy birds.